The Philippine Air Force has decided to buy 16 U.S.-made BlackHawk helicopters, although President Rodrigo Duterte has promised not to buy military equipment from the U.S. Defense Minister Delfin Lorenzana said that the decision to buy BlackHawk helicopters had gone through thorough evaluation and consideration. Previously, the Philippines intended to buy Bell 412 helicopters made in Canada, but the agreement was cancelled. The Philippine Air Force finally returned to consider other options, namely the S-70 BlackHawk produced by Sikorsky Aircraft, Russian-made Me-171, South Korean Surion, and AW-139 produced by AgustaWestland from England. From the evaluation results, it was obtained Sikorsky as the main choice. They want the BlackHawk, Lorenzana said on the sidelines of a foreign correspondent forum in Manila. The Defense Ministry then reported the results of the Air Force's evaluation to President Duterte by warning that this choice could violate his statement.
Nagpasya ang Philippine Air Force na bumili ng 16 US-made BlackHawk helicopters, bagaman ang ipinangako ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na hindi bumili ng mga kagamitan sa militar mula sa US. Sinabi ng Depensang Ministro na si Delfin Lorenzana na ang desisyon na bumili ng BlackHawk helicopters ay dumaan sa masusing pagsusuri at pagsasaalang-alang noong nakaraan. Ang Pilipinas ay naglalayong bumili ng Bell 412 helicopters na ginawa sa Canada, ngunit kinansela ang kasunduan. Ang Philippine Air Force sa wakas ay bumalik upang isaalang-alang ang iba pang mga opsyon, katulad ng S-70 BlackHawk na ginawa ng Sikorsky Aircraft, Russian-made Mi-171, at Korean Surion, at AW-139 na ginawa ng AgustaWestland mula sa Inglaterra. Mula sa mga resulta ng pagsusuri, ito ay nakuha, Sikorsky, bilang pangunahing pagpipilian. Nais nila ang BlackHawk, sabi ni Lorenzana sa sidelines ng isang forum ng BlackHawk correspondent sa Manila. Sinabi ng Ministry of Defense ang mga resulta ng pagsusuri ng Air Force kay Pangulong Duterte sa pamamagitan ng babala na ang pagpipili ang ito ay maaaring lumabag sa kanyang pahayag.